Wala. Nabanday. Petsa 30 ngayong araw ng Huwebes. 30 to 50 na south-southeast, 5 to 6 feet. Bukas, petsa 31, Biyernes, 22 to 41 na southeast, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 3 feet niya, sa gabi pa yun. Petsa 1, Sabado, 10 to 26 na southeast, 3 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 15 to 31 na southwest, pagat ulit na 3 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 35 na southwest sa umaga. Sa hapon, mag-northwest na 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 4, Martes, 15 to 35 na northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 5, Miyerkules, 15 to 32 na east-northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 6, Huwebes, 20 to 40 na east-northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 7, Biyernes, 15 to 31 na este, 4 feet. At petsa 8, Sabado, 15 to 33 na southeast sa umaga, mag-southwest sa hapon na 3 to 4 feet. Naku kami kong parola sa 17, 1 to 3. Kupay, ingat, mga naman. Kupay. Kami kong ano pong, 15, 1 to po, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, petsa 30. 22 to 41 na southeast, 4 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, kalinang umaga lang naman, 4 feet na rin. Bukas, Biyernes, petsa 31, 15 to 31 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 1, Sabado, 10 to 26 na southeast, 3 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 10 to 24 na southeast, 3 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 31 na southwest, mabagat na 3 feet. Petsa 4, Martes, 10 to 23 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 23 na northwest, 4 feet. Petsa 6, Huwebes, 10 to 20 na west, northwest, 4 feet. Petsa 7, Biyernes, 15 to 35 na southwest, 4 feet. At petsa 8, Sabado, 23 to 43 na southwest, 4 feet lang din bigong olaps ko. Sige, kopya pa. Ingat, may mga opinion. Ito na, Principal. Sige ito. 13 to 7, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, petsa 30. 10 to 26 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, petsa 31, Biyernes, 10 to 28 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 1, Sabado, 10 to 27 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 10 to 21 na southeast, 3 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, 10 to 26 na southwest, mabagat, na 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 4, Martes, 15 to 32 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 5, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 6, Huwebes, 15 to 33 na southwest, 4 feet. Petsa 7, Biyernes, 15 to 34 na southwest, 4 feet. At petsa 8, Sabado, 20 to 41 na southwest. 4 feet pa rin. Nakopya mi kong principal dyan sa 13, 1 to 7. Kung wala na may kong principal, yan, maganda naman. Ito pre, paring ko ba? 11, 1 to 6. Ngayong araw ng Webes, petsa 30. 15 to 30 na southeast. 2 to 3 feet. Bukas, petsa 31, Biyernes, ganoon din, 15 to 30 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 1, Sabado, 10 to 23 na este, 3 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 10 to 20 na east-southeast, 3 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, Habagat, 10 to 20 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 4, Martes, 10 to 23 na southwest, 2 feet. Petsa 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 24 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 6, Huwebes, 10 to 27 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 7, Biyernes, 15 to 36 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. At petsa 8, Sabado, 17 to 34 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Nakopya pa rin ko ba? Diyan sa 11, 1 to 6. Wala nang try. Ingat. Magandang umaga. Ingat.